Hey people, so it's getting now like increasingly difficult to make these videos. I mean, increasingly difficult as in, just now we finished our bath, everything, and tomorrow is this young man's birthday. So we are going to the pet shop right now and getting a cute little rabbit because that's what, like I said, rabbits and all, they are very, before you know it, they are gone. So,
See the fish.
but yeah, this one is particularly adorable if you were to see him. So that's what. And rabbits in particular, I mean, be it any species, but they almost get very sad and low if they don't have their partner, some another fellow rabbit with them, because I've kept chicks and I've seen that chicks can survive, even if it's one chick, as long as the chick is staring into your face at all times, it manages. But rabbits, not so much. So that's why we are going right now to get this little guy, cute little friend. So this is almost a 1 minute long video, but I felt I should make it. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.